Today I am going to tell you about the selector that is used in the components. So as here there are three components in one app module or module. So each component has their own selector. Okay. So the issue is can we put selector of non-bootstrap component in index.html? There are three questions. So we will solve these three questions. We will answer these three questions and let's see. See, we have an app module. Okay, we have one app module here and there are three components: about component, management component and app component. Okay, see here we have three components: about, app and management. Three components here we have mentioned here. Okay, so we will go to each component one by one. Okay, in the app component we have mentioned here, suppose I will take it from here away, and I have written this much only: I am the main container. Okay, I am the app container or main container. So I will remove this. I am the app container, app component. So I am not container. I am just writing like I am app component. So I have written here I am app component. Okay. Similarly, in the about component, I am writing in the template I am about component. Similarly, in management component, I am writing I am management component. So these are so I am not using here URL. Okay, I am just using template. I am just using template, not URL. If I am using URL, then I have to mention the HTML file here. This will not work if that will be URL, template URL. That case I have to mention the HTML file. So for the easy understanding, I am just putting everything inside here in a component. HTML is here, selector is here. These are the minimum requirement for a component. Selector means where it will be shown and what will be shown. This is the what will be shown, where it will be shown, in which component it will be shown. Similarly, in about component we have this. Okay, so the question is, suppose I will put everything here, about component and management component, I will put it here in the bootstrap. Okay, then will it work? Yes, it will work. So if I am putting it here, whenever the application is starting, these three components will start at simultaneously. Okay, so who will use this selector of these three components? As it is app module, so app module is called by index.html. Okay, so we have to give the three selector of these three components. So I will go there. I'll already there one selector is there, app root. App root belongs to app component.ts. This one, yes, app root is already there. So I will take this one selector. I will go to index and I will write about. Similarly, management, I will take this one, copy here, then I will paste it, then it is done. So three selector are in the index.html. So it will work because we bootstrap all the three. So let's run it. I'll save all these files. So all files are saved. So there is no symbol here. So all files saved. So what I'll do? See, you will see here I am app component, app root. This is from app root. I am about component and I am management component. So all the three are coming. See here, all the three selectors were there. See, uproot is this one, okay. Then about is this one, and management is this one. Okay, they are shown in the index.html. Okay, then we will go to the next question. So what is that? This is answer is yes. We can sorry. This is answer is no. We can put select. Can we put selector of non-bootstrap component in it? No. If it is bootstrap, then we can put the selector there in index.html. Second question is, can we bootstrap more than one component in app module? Yes, we can bootstrap more than one component. Here you have seen more than one component, but the performance of the application will be slow because at a time all the component will be called. That's why we are always bootstrapping only one component, that is the main component. Other components are called on demand, okay, by using these your selectors, okay. So then the question is, as this is making our application, so what we will do, we will call only one application here. See, so only one component here I will call in the bootstrap, but these two should be shown. Okay, suppose I will call only one, then I will save this. So you will see that only one is coming. App component, I am app component, because in the index.html this is working, these two are not working because they are not bootstrapped here, okay. So for this what we will do, we will take these two, we will cut, I am cutting this two and I will take it to app component.ts. So I will put it here, I will give a line break for better visibility and I will put it here. Okay, so I will write here about and management. So instead of putting it in the index.html, I put it in the app component.ts. Okay, so now it will be shown because we are showing app root in the index.html. So what will be shown? So this all will be shown in the app root selector in index.html. Okay, this all will be shown. So as this all will be shown, so the content will be shown. This will be shown from the content of about template. Okay, and this will show this content. Okay, let's save it. Okay, only one uproot is called in index, and in component we have added this much, okay, app component, and they are containing this content respectively. Okay, so let's see. So all are showing now. I called root is total in index, but as I called uproot, so this is the uproot. See, uproot is total, whole, 3 lines. Because it contains about and management, about selector, management selector inside uproot, so it is showing here. So as whenever we are calling this, so these two will also showing. Okay, so let's go to next one. So this is the code for bootstrapping all the component, but it is not good for performance. That's why we removed these two. Okay, and we put it here. Okay, next. So in case of bootstrapping 3 component, this is the diagram. You can just follow the diagram. This is uproot is bootstrapped here, about is bootstrapped here, about component, total component bootstrapped here, component is bootstrapped here, and we are writing the selector here in the index part. So all is showing, but it is not good for performance. Okay, so let's see another rule. Suppose I have three components: app component, app about component, and a management component in app module. So which selector can be used in which component? So in the app root app component, the selector will be app root, and the template can be about selector and management selector. We can put it here. This is the possibility. This diagram shows the possibility. Okay. Similarly, about component selector is about, and template, in the template I can put root selector, app root selector, and management selector here. Similarly, in management component selector is management, but in the template I can put app root as well as about. Okay.